Hey guys, if you've ever been frustrated by slow or complicated air systems while out on the trail, meet your new best friend, the C.A.S.E Flate case system. Now, I went with the C.A.S.E Flate case for a number of reasons, but one of them is when I'm trying to refill my 35-inch tires on my Jeep, I need something that's going to be pretty quick. This also has auto on and auto off functionality, which means you can just set the pressure and forget about it. Then, when you connect it to their HyperFlex hose system, you get to do all 4 tires at once. I've also paired this with the air command system from them, which makes it even easier. One of the reasons that I really love the C.A.S.E Flate case system is the portability. While their other systems are great, they don't come packed in a convenient case. Now, when you first get your C.A.S.E Flate case system, it comes delivered in this branded box. Underneath is quality packaging with some clever wit. Things like warning it can get hot and durability, duh. As we open up the box, we'll find the case securely packaged in plastic packaging and surrounded by styrofoam. The C.A.S.E Flate case system is built tough and comes with a super convenient, easy to pack case. Weighing in at about 26 pounds, it's definitely not light, but that's because it's built to last. Alright, let's crack open the C.A.S.E Flate case and see what makes it such a game changer. The first thing you'll find is some straightforward instructions. Next, you'll find the digital trigger gauge for single tire use. Also included is a 4-foot stainless steel lead hose and 26-foot rubber extension hose, along with 3 nozzle adapters. It runs off of 12 volts and 90 amps with clamps that hook straight up to your Jeep's battery. This thing runs on dual cylinder compressors, pushing out a massive 10.6 CFM. What does that mean? Well, it's going to save you a ton of time when airing up. Most budget compressors can barely push out 2 CFM. It can take over 30 minutes to air up 35-inch tires from 10 to 30 PSI. The C.A.S.E Flate case, well, it knocks that out in about 6 minutes flat. Grab a discount on your own C.A.S.E Flate case system in the description below, and make sure to like and subscribe.